Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's kind of get right into this. So as you can see, these are paper airplanes. This is what they look like. And this is all the different ones that it comes with. I actually got this for this Saturday because I watch the little kids at our church, so it'll be my turn to watch them. And so they're always trying to get me to make paper airplanes. So I got these. I figured these would be a lot more fun than just using regular paper. I think they're going to really enjoy them. But this is really cool. It shows you kind of how, and you can scan this and it'll give you like a manual on how to actually fold them. But it comes with different ones. You can see like this one right here. That's what it looks like. And it has like all the different folding lines that you'll need. So this is going to be really fun to do with the kids. And it comes with, does it say how many it comes with? So it comes with 32 different paper airplanes in total, which is pretty awesome. So it is like seriously a ton to choose from. But let me go ahead and I'm going to show you what they look like actually making one, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like with the kids actually playing with it. So as you can see, this is what it looks like once it's done. The video was very easy to understand. So let's go ahead and see how it flies though. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.